I'm a student in high school and I feel fine. I think people ignore me all the time. I blink. Santa's became my new friend, and it stinks. Could I? Should I? Get some help? What is happening to me? Sometimes I cannot concentrate on a thing. I decided to speak up about my catastrophe. I spoke to a person on this hotline. I no longer felt lonely. I found that I had mental challenges, but I'm not the only one. I now see, and eventually, I improved, and you can too. Simply, now I feel happy all the time. I love life and life loves me. I have friends up to infinity.